How to cancel Spotify Premium. First of all, go to your Spotify account on your web browser. In this case, I'm using Safari, but you can use whichever browser you want. And once you're here, logged into your Spotify account on the browser, go over to the settings icon on the top right corner. On this page, you will get to see an option that says View Account on the top. Tap on View Account. Then, you will be taken to this page over here. After that, scroll down to the subscription section and tap on Manage Your Subscription. This is the page where you can see your current subscription and its details. So, in order to cancel your Spotify subscription, you will get to see this option that says Cancel Subscription on the bottom. Just go ahead and tap on it. Following these steps, you can easily cancel your Spotify Premium. You can also select Change Plan if you want to change your subscription.